Let's solve for x here. Before you solve, you don't observe the equation critically. 9, 3, 27. They have something in common. That is, they can all be broken to the base of 3, even 1. So instead of writing 9, what you have here will be 3 squared, all to the power of 2x minus 1, multiplied by 3 power 2x, divided by 27, 3 power 3 all to the power of x minus 1 equals to, in case of 1, you just write 3 power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So because we are dealing with base of 3, so that's why we put 3 there. If you put 5 there, you are correct, but you will suffer before you get the answer. Now, let's multiply these ones. So we have 3 power 4x minus 2. Just carry a bracket. This one, multiply, the base are equal. So you just say plus 2 plus 2x. So we are done with the base here. Divide by 3 raised to power 3x minus 3 equals to 3 raised to power 0. Can you see it? This one now is just 3 raised to power. Let's observe it. 4x plus 2 is 6x. 6x minus 2 divided by 3 raised to power 3x minus 3 equals to 3 raised to power 0. Mind you, there are many ways of doing it. So you want to deal with this base and this base since they're equal. So you have 3 raised to power 6x minus 3. In fact, let's do it this way. Minus 2 into this one minus 3x minus 3 equals to 3 raised to power 0. This minus affects everything there. So this will go. So the base are gone, so the power has not become the equation. So this one will become 6x minus 2 minus 3x minus 3 equals to 0. There you do it. So 6x minus 2 minus 3x plus 3 equals to 0. 6x minus this one you have 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So 3x equals to minus 1. Divide both sides by 3. This one will go. So x equals to minus 1 over 2. And that's the final answer. Please share this video. Bye.